Welcome to the application process video. Your application is submitted online at dps.texas.gov. You can also go to the FAQ page on my website and you will find all the instructions and direct links to apply, upload your documents, and schedule your fingerprint appointment. But here in the course, I will also cover the DPS website with you. So once you go to the DPS website, you will scroll down and click on handgun licensing. On the next page, you will scroll down and click on licensing and registration. Now, the next page has your direct links. There's the link to submit your online application. There is the link to upload your documents, your certificate of training that you received from this course. And there's instructions on scheduling your fingerprint appointment. So the very first step is to submit your online application. You have to do that before you can upload any documents and before you can schedule your fingerprint appointment. After you apply online, DPS will send you an email with instructions on how to schedule your fingerprint appointment. So wait for that email. You can also get more details on that on the FAQ page on my website, but check your spam folder for that email and then follow the instructions to schedule your fingerprint appointment. So you can apply online now, even before you've done the shooting portion. You can apply online now. You can schedule your fingerprint appointment and get those done now, but you cannot upload your certificate of training until after you have completed the shooting portion and all of that is filled out. And don't forget to sign, date, and print your name on the bottom of your certificate of training. So you can apply now, schedule your fingerprint appointment now, get those done, but you cannot upload your document until the shooting portion is completely filled out and it is ready to go. Then you just come back and upload your certificate of training. So when you go to apply, this is the first page, and you'll see down here it says new users, apply. That's where you will start. Over here it says returning users, log in. After you apply, under returning users is where you can come back to log in to check the status of your application. And every 5 years when it's time to renew, you can also come back here and log in, and this is where you will renew your license every 5 years. But for now, the first time, original applicants, you will come over here and click apply. And this is the first page of your application. Now, if you have an out-of-state driver's license or ID not issued by the state of Texas, you will click here and you will start on that page. Right here where it says, if you hold a driver's license from another state, you will click there. Those of us that have a Texas driver's license or ID, you will start here. You will enter in your Texas driver's license number, your date of birth, and your Texas driver's license or ID audit number. This is where you will find your Texas driver's license or ID number and your Texas driver's license or ID audit number. So your driver's license or ID number will be this number here on top. Your driver's license or ID audit number will be this longer number down at the bottom. It normally starts with a DD. You will not enter in the D's. And then hit continue. Once you hit continue, it will take you to the next pages where you will enter in all of your information. And then at the very end, you will make your payment for your license to carry, submit your application, and then check your email for your response from DPS. They will send you an email with the information on how to schedule your fingerprint appointment.